guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shell Love, and before we get into this tutorial, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram at Shell Love. So today I will be showing you how to create a wedding invitation in Adobe Illustrator. So go ahead and pull up Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Then from there, hit the Create New button. You want to select Print. Make sure it says inches and your orientation is portrait. The width will be 5 and your height is 7. Your bleed will be 0.11811 or 3 millimeters. Color mode will be CMYK color. Raster effects will be 300 ppi. Select Create. Then from there, we're going to go ahead and type out all of our text. I will also leave all of the information for the fonts that I use in the description box below. So the first thing I want to say is together with their families. So from there, I'm going to select my text and change the font to Magic Winter. And then I want to align it in the center. Then I'm going to work on their names. I am going to change the font to Edwardian Script and change the size of it to 100. Then from there, I'm going to copy and paste the same text. So I'll hit Alt and then drag, and then I'll edit that. And then I'll copy and paste it again by hitting that Alt button and then clicking the text and dragging it down. Lastly, I'm going to work on the important information such as the date, time, location. And this will be Magic Winter font as well. And then we'll take the size down to 12. And so this will say, request your presence at their marriage. Also, I will have the month, day, year, and time. And lastly, the address and reception to follow at the very end. So I'll go ahead and type that up. I will be using the same fonts above in this text box as well. I'm going to add an outline around the entire text. So I'll go over to the left panel and select the rectangle tool, and then I'll drag. So from here, I don't want to fill, so I'm going to select none. Go over to the outline tool, and here you can double click and pick the color you want. And I want my outline to be thicker, so I'm going to go up to stroke and select 4. Also, I want my text to be the same color as the box, so I'm going to select the names by clicking the name and holding down the Shift key. And then you can go up here to type and change the color. Lastly, I want to add some graphics, so I want to go up to File, go down to Place, and select your image. I will also leave a link down below to where I got these graphics. So from here, I'm going to go to where I want the image to be. I'm going to click and drag until it's as big as I want it to be. And then you can also make it bigger by hitting the Shift and pulling the corner out. Now I want this image to be duplicated and put in another corner. So I'm going to select it, hit the Alt key, and drag out the picture. And then I'm going to just place it where I want it to go. And there we are, our wedding invitation. So we'll go to File, Save As. You're going to give it a title. And save as Adobe PDF. And select Save. From here, we're going to mess around with the settings. So we want to go up to Adobe PDF preset and change that to high quality print. We'll leave everything else the same here. We'll go down and deselect Optimize for Fast Web View. We'll go over to Marks and Bleeds. Make sure trim marks are selected. Also use bleed settings. We'll go to Output and we'll change Profile Inclusion Policy to include all profiles. Advanced is fine. Security is fine as well. Compression is fine as well. And then we'll go to Save PDF. And there you have it, our invitation, which includes the trim marks as well. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at ShellLove. Bye, loves.